you don't know about this here series, what we do is we open up this, that thing over there, these presents, and then our advent calendars, which are on the floor right now, but they're like jewelry, jerky, and like cheese and such.
We're going to be doing more advent calendars all the way up to Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe.
Because this is so large, we're going to be opening it as the first thing in this video.
And if you haven't seen the last one, be sure you catch up, because if you watch these out of order, they won't make any sense.
They will, actually.
No.
I'll make 100% perfect sense, but do it anyway.
Same toys. This is the Cocoon, the complete high chair from Oribel. So thank you, Oribel, for the free product. You can find it at loveoribel.com.
You sure can. And now let me give you a little insight as to what this product is like. It's not like this thing back here, this woke broke piece of machinery. It's not like that at all. It's amazing.
Is it pink? It's pink.
Yo, it's pink. What's this?
I love the color pink.
Is that a food tray?
That is a huge food tray.
Large.
Whoa. This is, I'm pretty jealous.
Standalone chair, I guess.
Wow, we have an actual fancy chair.
Wow.
So the feature of this here chair is one comes with a tray. Pretty sweet tray, right?
Oh, yeah.
Number two, tray comes apart. See that top pink part?
So it's easily cleanable.
Yes, you can put it in the sink and then have your son wash it for you. So there you go. And then you can take the tray off and you can replace it with this nifty old cup holder.
It's so incredible.
And it has a cup holder on both sides. Another good feature is that the seat itself goes backwards if you have a little tiny creature, but if you have one of them that's bigger, like this specimen, you can put him up, like how he is right now. What's it say? Yeah.
It's pretty radical.
Easter.
I'm in my chair.
Look, you got a cup holder.
There you go. Do you love it?
I don't think you can physically do one of those.
Love it? This is the fanciest high chair I've ever had.
Now that we've opened up the giant present, we're going to continue to our normal schedule. So we're going to be opening up the nativity set for Precious Moments, so you get Precious Moments for the free product.
Today's Jesus mode activated is donkey.
Dude, that's a
That's a
cow.
cow, Jonah.
The cows were glowing in the light of the moon, and Mary and Joseph knew it would be soon. Mary's about to give birth.
Now we're going to open up the second Precious Moments Advent Calendar.
Let's take the star out first of all. It makes our Christmas tree stand tall.
It's the star
Oh
for
my
the tree.
So now we're going to be opening up
Jerky! Whoa! Jerky time! Jerky time! Jerky time!
sound the
Jerky
jerky
time!
alarm. Sound the jerky alarm. Sound it.
Jerky time!
Jerky alarm. All right. So today we got black pepper gator strips.
Whoa!
Jerky. So,
I want a gator strip.
oh yeah.
It seriously looks like a small liver.
Maybe it is. It doesn't say what part of the gator.
Not as good as the bourbon deer.
The last one was pretty good.
Listen, once one surpasses the bourbon deer, all hell's breaking loose.
It's very peppery.
They're just very peppery. Now I'm going to open up the bracelet one.
Smart move. Smart move.
It worked. This one is a ring of hearts. And now I'm going to open up my makeup advent calendar. I got the brownest brown.
Wow, it's a magical brown stick.
I think it's an eye pencil or an eyebrow pencil. It can be used as both.
Sure.
Okay. Cheese.
Alright guys, guess what? I want you guys to guess which day it is. It's number 6.
It's Christmas. We don't get eggs.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. No, whoops. I accidentally showed the ball. Hot and spicy. It doesn't even say what cheese it is. It's just hot and spicy.
Today we have hot and spicy.
Spicy Gouda. I'm assuming it's spicy Gouda.
No, after the presents.
It's a little bit of a snack, a little bit of a jar, a little bit of
spice to it.
A little
a little bit of spiky.
I like it.
Yesterday's was better.
That's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Oh, you better bet your bucket I'm saving it well.
You better bet your bottom dollar. No, hand me the tiny one. Alright, let's open our first parcel. So this one is a parcel. No. Stop. Goes to the jerky scissors. What? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
They're more,
Oh my
more poppers. They're more fidget poppers.
Thank you, Fat Brain Toys, for the free product.
These are awesome.
These are little keychains of the dimple things from episode 3. I don't remember.
Whoa!
This is a timber tot by Chlorophyll. Nature is magic.
Thank you, Fat Brain Toys, for the free product.
Fat Brain has some epic toys.
Alright, let's open it up.
Make a move.
Look in his car. He's so angry car. Is
What's
it?
in there?
No, that's mine.
Thank you for watching day 6. Tune in tomorrow sometime to watch day 7. Subscribe so you don't miss it. These past videos should be in a playlist, so if you need to watch all the others, then they're there.
I need to go in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, thumbs up, listen third. Bye.
I need this kitchen.
I am exceedingly grateful for your presence on this earth. Thank you for watching. Have a
No,
great night.
it's open.
And a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all.